Right here with this old 7 Chevy Equinox. It's missing the front. We're doing a battery maintenance on a maintenance-free system. Alright, so I let go, positive and negative from the car. I have the trickle charger, and this is very important right here. Don't add any other water but that, and you should be good to go. Remove the cap. As you see, it's one of these maintenance free. I will tell you it's one of these maintenance free batteries. But due to that, batteries in the summer here in California goes up to 15. And then it drops down to about 34 degrees, and the water dissipates from the battery, and it gives you just enough to where you either need a jump or it's having a hard time cranking over because the battery water level is low. It's just like a gas tank. Full, you're good to go, but then it starts, as you consume it, it starts going down. Battery was built in, I think it was 2002. So this is how I maintenance batteries. There's a lot of technicians that don't know how to maintenance batteries, and they just swap them out. But since this is one of the vehicles, this is one of my personal vehicles, and I wanted to do this so that way I can show people how you do batteries. And hopefully YouTube won't mess up my with the auto spell and when I'm writing things and dictating to the computer on what it's supposed to be writing down. So there's a lot of people complaining about my misspelling, but I'm telling YouTube it's the algorithm that they're using that is misspelling things because it's not listening. And anyway, battery maintenance, distilled water, cap it. You're gonna try to put your charger at the lowest settings, all right, for the first 2 hours at the lowest settings, and then check the current, and this will tell you whether the battery is okay or there's a plate that's damaged inside. And usually when there's a damaged plate, that's because the battery's been bouncing around, or how do you say, the plastic is no good. If you get a lot of corrosion on top of your poles, it's usually because it's leaking from one of these seals, which again, take a look at the seals. That's basically the seals. Or there's a grounding problem with your grounding wires to and from the chassis to the motor. The gauges may be a little bit too small, and it's causing problems with the battery. Remember, these cars are made at the lowest bidder, so just make sure you know what you're doing. This is not for everybody. Just don't go cracking this open and thinking that you can do it.